Konnichiwa. As the world still suffers from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and a toll has passed 500,000 deaths, we should bear in mind that each and every year 700,000 people are dying due to antimicrobial resistance, called AMR. AMR threatens decades of medical progress, as existing antibiotics become less effective to these resistant bacteria, and its long-term economic cost is even bigger than that of COVID-19. COVID-19 caught us ill-prepared, but AMR is something that is predictable. It is a widely recognized preventable crisis. Governments and experts have been talking about the need to tackle the public health crisis of AMR for years, but so far no action has followed the talk. Meanwhile, biotech companies developing much-needed new antibiotics go bankrupt because the costs of late-stage research and development cannot be recouped later in sales. Biopharmaceutical companies want to help break the gridlock and respond to this clear public health need. Today, 23 leading biopharmaceutical companies from the US, Europe, and Japan, including 5 Japanese companies, are launching the largest, most exciting initiative the pharma industry has ever set up, called the AMR Action Fund. These companies raised nearly $1 billion to create the AMR Action Fund. Their money and expertise will go towards funding of clinical trials to bring 2 to 4 innovative new antibiotics to the market by the end of the decade. The AMR Action Fund will help overcome technical and funding barriers of late-stage antibiotic development. In setting up the AMR Action Fund, IFPMA is proud to have benefited from collaboration with the World Health Organization, the European Investment Bank, and the Wellcome Trust. With the AMR Action Fund, we are sending a clear signal that industry is seizing responsibility to tackle the threat of AMR. The fund provides a bridging solution to help biotech companies take their discoveries over the finishing line. It is a bridging solution to recreate a viable innovation ecosystem for antibiotic research. We also need governments to step up. We need reforms that acknowledge the huge value that new antibiotics bring to society and safeguard our future from the global threat of AMR. Domo arigato gozaimasu.